Welcome to Tella Friend, and today we're here at the park. So we're here because we're doing the leaf jump. Yeah, as always every year to celebrate fall. But this year we're also gonna do a lantern walk using our own handmade lanterns. Let's go. I love fall. I love fall. I love fall. And now this is a bag, and just like before, this is my candle inside here. That makes a lantern, but since we can see the bottom, we decorate it with tissue paper and like some stuff like stickers and stuff. And then we poked home with a poker, and then we put a like this thingy that's really soft, like cats, and it was really fun, but it was really hard work. And look at my mustache and my beard. After we made the lanterns, we jumped in a pile of leaves because it's called... Yeah, the leaf jump. We jump into a pile of leaves. It says it. So we don't have to
just throw it in and like just
jump in it. And then I got leaves all over my hair. I was a leaf lady.
Where's my lantern?
I feel like I have leaves in my pants. Anyway, so after that, we went for a walk with our lanterns right away. Ria, wasn't it so fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also I had a great time playing with my friends there. And you should go to the woods too.
And it was not that cold than I think it will be.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!